Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Foldable Wagon is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can add to your arsenal, whether you're navigating crowded farmers markets, hauling gear for a day at the beach, transporting gardening supplies, or even just making multiple trips from your car to your home. Imagine effortlessly gliding your essentials behind you, freeing up your hands and saving your back from strain, all while keeping your belongings secure and organized. This isn't just a cart, it's your personal assistant for any task that involves moving things from point A to point B with unparalleled ease and convenience. Number 5. Collapsible Folding Wagon Cart with Wheels. This wagon boasts an impressive 220-pound load capacity, perfect for all your gear. It easily holds camping essentials, beach toys, or delivery packages, making it your ideal companion for any adventure. Navigate any surface with ease thanks to its anti-slip treads and 360-degree swivel wheels. The adjustable handle extends from 27.1 to 35 inches for comfortable use, and convenient cup holders keep your drink secure. Constructed with a robust alloy steel frame and durable 600D Oxford fabric, this cart is designed for longevity. It's water and scratch resistant, ready to withstand harsh weather and heavy use. Weighing only 10 pounds, this cart is incredibly portable and can be carried with one hand. When folded, it's compact enough to fit in your car boot or a cupboard, and the wheels can even be removed for extra space saving. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty, prioritizing your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, our customer support team is ready to assist you. What we like? This wagon boasts a robust 220-pound capacity and smooth-rolling 360-degree swivel wheels. It's incredibly lightweight at only 10 pounds, making it easy to carry. If you need a reliable and portable cart for everyday errands like grocery shopping or transporting packages, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The wagon is sturdy and holds a lot of stuff. It folds up easily for storage. The wheels are great for rough terrain. Number 4. Beach Wagon with Big Balloon Wheels. Tired of wheels that sink? Ours feature large, inflatable tires designed to float over soft sand, mud, and gravel. This means smoother, easier transport, saving your energy for fun. Keep your belongings shaded and cool with the included canopy. Plus, a convenient side pocket and cup holders keep essentials like umbrellas and drinks within easy reach. With a massive 200L capacity and a heavy-duty frame supporting up to 440 pounds, you can carry everything you need. Forget multiple trips. It handles coolers, chairs, and all your gear with ease. Packing up is a breeze. This wagon folds flat in seconds with a simple pull, making it easy to store in your trunk or garage. Enjoy powerful hauling without the bulk. Maneuver effortlessly through crowds with its smooth handle and 360 degrees rotating wheels. Constructed with durable, tear-resistant fabric, it's ready for any adventure, from sandy beaches to rocky trails. What we like? Featuring oversized 9-inch balloon wheels, this cart is designed to glide effortlessly over soft sand. It also comes with a UV protection canopy to keep your belongings shaded. If you're planning a beach day with family and need to haul a lot of gear, especially on soft sand, this is a wagon for you. What people say. It's a great wagon for hauling groceries and other items. It folds up easily and is very sturdy. This wagon is perfect for trips to the beach or park. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, even on sand. I love that this wagon has a telescoping handle and large wheels. It makes it so much easier to pull, even when it's fully loaded. Number 3. Double-decker wagon 600 pounds capacity sports wagon. Haul your heaviest gear with confidence. This wagon offers an incredible 600 pounds total capacity, with each deck supporting up to 300 pounds, making tough jobs easy. Need to carry a lot? Its generous 400L capacity is perfect for everything from camping gear to shopping hauls, ensuring you can bring it all. Transporting long or oversized items is no longer a problem. When unfolded, it extends to 54 inches, accommodating things that usually won't fit. Go anywhere with ease. Its large 7-inch wheels are designed for all terrains, smoothly rolling over grass, gravel, and more, no matter the adventure. Forget complicated assembly. It sets up instantly and folds down compactly for effortless storage in your car, garage, or closet. Enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year warranty and 60-day free returns. We're here to help if you have any questions or concerns. What we like. This wagon offers an impressive 600-pound total load capacity and a massive 400-liter storage space, with a unique double-deck design. It's perfect for hauling extremely heavy outdoor gear or large quantities of items. If you're an outdoor enthusiast who needs to transport bulky equipment for camping, fishing, or other adventures, this heavy-duty option is ideal. What people say. The wagon is easy to assemble and folds up compactly for storage. It is sturdy and can hold a good amount of weight, making it great for hauling groceries or beach gear. The wheels are durable and maneuver well on different surfaces, including sand and grass. Number 2. Originsure 300L Collapsible Beach Wagon Cart. Introducing a revolutionary wagon with an enormous 300-liter capacity, perfect for all your adventures. Despite its size, it folds down incredibly small, making it easy to store and transport. Built with a robust all-metal frame, this cart boasts an impressive 560-pound weight capacity. It's designed to handle your heaviest loads with ease, whether for groceries or camping gear. Navigate any terrain effortlessly with its large, all-terrain wheels. The front wheels feature brakes for secure parking, ensuring smooth and stable movement wherever you go. Experience superior control with its patented steering mechanism. This innovative design eliminates wobbling, providing a stable and easy-to-maneuver experience. Get started right away. This wagon comes fully assembled and includes convenient accessories like cup holders and a storage cover. It's ready for your next outing straight out of the box. The adjustable and reboundable handle ensures a comfortable towing experience for everyone. Simply adjust it to your preferred height for effortless transport. We stand by our product with a 12-month warranty and 24/7 online support. Your satisfaction is our priority, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This cart offers a substantial 300-liter capacity and a high static weight capacity of 560 pounds, supported by a robust all-metal frame. It also features a patented stable steering mechanism for enhanced control. If you prioritize stability and a strong build for heavy loads, and want a cart that's easy to maneuver without wobbling, this is an excellent option. What people say. It is very sturdy and can hold a lot of stuff. The wheels are large and sturdy, making it easy to maneuver over rough terrain. It folds up compactly for easy storage. Number 1. Originsure 220L Collapsible Beach Wagon Cart. Experience an incredible 220L of storage space, perfect for all your adventures. When folded, it becomes remarkably compact, easily fitting into your car trunk or any corner of your home. This heavy-duty cart boasts an impressive 460 pounds weight capacity, thanks to its robust all-metal frame. The durable, waterproof Oxford fabric ensures it can handle any load you throw at it. Navigate any surface with ease. Its large, all-terrain wheels offer smooth maneuverability on sand, grass, or mud. Plus, the front wheels feature brakes for secure parking. Enjoy enhanced stability and control with our patented steering mechanism. The adjustable handle ensures a comfortable grip for everyone, making it easy to steer. Forget complicated setups. This wagon comes fully assembled and ready for immediate use, complete with convenient side pockets and cup holders. Whether for camping, sports, or grocery runs, this wagon is designed to make your life easier. It's your dependable partner for any outing. What we like. With a 220-liter capacity and a static weight capacity of 460 pounds, this cart is built for durability and ease of use. It also features the same patented stable steering mechanism for superior maneuverability. If you're looking for a versatile wagon that can handle a good amount of gear for various activities like camping, sports, or gardening, and appreciate a stable, controlled experience, this is a great choice. What people say. The wagon is easy to assemble and folds up compactly for storage. It's sturdy and can hold a good amount of weight, making it perfect for hauling groceries or beach gear. The wheels are durable and maneuver well on different surfaces, including sand and gravel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.